All right, thanks for joining us here for this quick tutorial on how to best approach cleaning a locker room. As always, we want to make sure to get the right supplies ready to go. And for correctly doing a locker room, we want to have the Virex is what we use, but it's the disinfectant spray and a rag for the things that you spray the disinfectant spray on. The glass cleaner and a rag for wiping the glass, dust spray, and then you're going to spray that onto the extendable duster for the tops of lockers in those hard to reach places. The process for this is similar to in most rooms, but you're going to work top to bottom and from the back of the space out the door. All right, you'll start by taking your dust spray. You'll spray the top of your duster, and then working your way from one side of the room to the other. At the tops of the lockers, you'll wipe in an S formation. We do from the top to bottom. That way, as dust falls, we're not going to have to re-clean anything on the bottom. And just work your way across the room. Don't forget your bang. Got to keep your energy up. We work hard in this company. Once you're done with the lockers, you'll take your disinfectant spray, start spraying the faces of the lockers, and then again wiping in an S motion from top to bottom. Spray the benches, wipe them down firmly. Grab your glass cleaner, spray it, wipe it from top to bottom in an S formation, and then you are all set to start working on those floors. You'll take your dust mop and or vacuum or broom, and then you'll of course finish it up with a wet mop, working your way from the back of the locker room towards the door. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.